Opening the corporate bank account in the UAE should take days, not the months. Yet many entrepreneurs wait up to 70 months for approval. Today I will show you exactly how to get your account approved in just 30 days. Hey all entrepreneurs, I'm Lana from Connect Group. Since 2016 we helping thousands of businesses successfully establish in UAE because UAE is our home. Today I'm sharing 5 insider secrets from UAE banking specialists that can reduce your wait time for months to just 30 days. The first secret that most entrepreneurs miss is what I call the personal first approach. Here is why it matters. Banks are feeling comfortable with the serving businesses which they know and driven by the individuals they are familiar with. By that, the process of opening business account starts from opening an account for the owner who subsequently onboards his or her company or companies. This is absolutely critical. Instead of applying for corporate account right away, open a personal account first. While your company registration is in the process, establish a relationship with your banker, maintaining a healthy balance and make regular transactions. When you mention your upcoming business, your banker now has a face and transaction history to associate it with your corporate application. This relationship can cut weeks or even months of your approval time. The second secret is strategic bank selection. With 61 banks in UAE, choosing the randomly is a recipe for rejection. Take a look at your business, counterparties and the needs for next 6-18 months and choose accordingly. Consider the challenger banks. While established banks like FAB and Emirates NBD are stable, they are often slower with new businesses. For example, WIO Bank is fully licensed and has shown strong financial performance. These challenger banks have streamlined the process and greater appetite for new businesses, potentially cutting your waiting time by the weeks or even the months. If you are thinking about setting up a company in UAE and want to avoid any of those challenges, then click link below and schedule a free 30-minute Zoom call with me or one of my colleagues. Secret number 3 is what I call documentation mastery. Your paperwork quality can literally make or break your application. For newly registered companies in 2025, banks are cautious when it comes to new businesses without banking history. This means your documentation needs to be impeccable. Beyond that, standard requirements prepare these additional items that most entrepreneurs overlook. Your personal banking history from your home country, a detailed business plan with the realistic projections, proof of your experience in the industry, list of potential clients and suppliers, clear explanation of source of funds and wealth. As an expert advisor states, it's unfortunate to say, but the more documents showing that your business in UAE is legitimate, the better. Showing your presence and banking history from another country can help increasing bank's comfort level. The fourth secret is being completely transparent about your operation. Many entrepreneurs try to hide aspects of their businesses they think might raise concerns, but that almost always backfires. Each bank sets its own rule for ideal clients and businesses they know how to serve. If you are operating in multi-jurisdictions or dealing with high-risk countries, disclose this upfront. Please disclose. For example, if you are dealing with digital assets, your expert advice, it's always better to disclose to your bank fact of operating in 2 spheres upfront during the onboarding process. Some banks may just say no to digital assets related transaction and you will know that already and it won't come as a surprise. Being transparent means clearly explain your source of wealth and source of funds. The 2 most critical yet often confusing questions banks will ask. Remember, banks would rather know about the potential complexities upfront than discover them later, which could lead your account being blocked or closed forever. Secret number 5 is having the right deposit strategy. Many applications stall because of the improper initial funding. Once approved, you will receive account opening IBAN letter. Deposit the funds next day. But here is a crucial part. Use the account exactly as you described it in your application. No surprises. However, please remember to use the account in line with what was agreed with the bank, not to force temporary freeze or additional checks. This means if you mention it in your application that the initial deposit will be 1,000, then deposit exactly that amount. If you indicate that you will receive 10,000 from specific client, ensure that is what happens. Surprising the bank with a large amounts of transactions from undisclosed parties is the fastest way to trigger a compliance review that could freeze your account for the weeks or months or say goodbye forever. Subscribe our channel for more insights for your UAE business, not to miss even one very useful video. Before you go, don't make the same banking mistakes other UAE business owners make. Watch the video to learn what to avoid when opening your company account.